Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to replace the 71925 light lens wall fitting in your hot spring and Tiger River spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, grinder, orbital sander, masking tape, rubbing alcohol, and latex gloves. Parts you will need: 71925 wall fitting, adhesive repair kit, and the 72961-DIS epoxy gun. Step 1. Disconnect the power. Drain the spa and remove all the equipment from the equipment compartment. Step 2. Remove the bezel and light lens from the spa. Step 3. Using the grinder, grind the wall fitting down from the inside of the equipment compartment until it is flush with the wall and falls off. Be very careful not to go too deep or you will compromise the shell. Use a Dremel tool with a cutoff wheel to access the areas the grinder cannot reach. Step 4. Sand the area where the wall fitting was with 40 grit and then finish it with 80 grit sandpaper until it is even on all sides. Step 5. Clean the wall fitting area on the equipment side with rubbing alcohol. Step 6. Cover the threads of the new wall fitting with masking tape and clean the area to be glued with rubbing alcohol. Step 7. Install the nozzle on the epoxy and place it in the dispensing gun. Put your gloves on. Step 8. Place a 3/8 inch bead of epoxy around the perimeter of the wall fitting. Step 9. Install the wall fitting firmly into the opening. Place a second bead of epoxy around the edge of the wall fitting in the equipment compartment. Step 10. Secure the wall fitting with 2 clamps. Step 11. After curing for 24 hours, remove the 2 clamps and the masking tape. Install the light lens and bezel. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000. or visit us online at backyardplus.com.